After trying so much gluten-free food in our last Madrid episode, we headed to one of the many Illunion hotels for the 36th Annual General Assembly of AOECS. The Association of European Coeliac Societies unites national societies to improve lives through advocacy, awareness and gluten-free certification, including the cross-grain symbol. Each year, the General Assembly gathers members to discuss regulations, industry partnerships and strategies to enhance celiac support across Europe. This is the third year in which I'm attending the conference, the first two being held in Lisbon and Athens, where we also ate some amazing gluten-free food. You can check out the vlogs on our channel. The conference started with a standing dinner, where we tried a bunch of appetizers and reconnected with each other. The next morning, we started the day with a light breakfast featuring panecillos, a type of panini bread. And after introducing our youth association, we enjoyed a coffee break with pain au chocolat and croissants. The lunch at the hotel was also impressive. We had a smooth pumpkin soup.
Amazing!
A perfectly cooked steak with a rich sauce. And this amazing chocolate dessert. For the breakout session, I chose the one focused on AI and how the gluten-free industry might improve with the technological advancements. And in the evening, we wrapped up the day with dinner at the downtown restaurant, where we watched a flamenco show. These conferences are divided between the youth group and adults. For CYE, the board changed this year with new representatives from the Netherlands, Finland and Spain. We had a quick lunch. And this was the gala dinner.
What is that?
Also, the Spanish Celiac Society is celebrating 30 years of activity, which is absolutely insane. Congratulations to them. And we also went to a party where a Romanian DJ called Breakout was playing. The next day, after visiting Santiago Bernabeu, Real Madrid Stadium, we had a pizza at Pizza Natura, a chain of pizzeria with locations all over Spain that we also featured in Barcelona. These were the gluten-free options in a supermarket: some large gluten-free buns, a bread, some biscuits, a bread for a club sandwich, crostini from Cher, and some palmeras. And of course that we had to visit one of the most renewed pastry shops in Madrid, La Oriental, which went fully gluten-free about 6 years ago. And some of the products that they're serving are also lactose-free and low in sugar. They are known across Europe for their high quality and diverse products, and some of the best offerings include tea biscuits, glazed donuts, croissants, palmeras, cakes, empanadas, bread and many more. They are also delivering their products all across Spain, so hats off to them. We also found these packed options in the airport.